Hello, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news of a sudden apparent easing of tensions in the Ukraine, but a dangerous spat between China and Vietnam. But first, Fed boss Janet Yellen made it clear this morning that she believes the US economy still requires a strong dose of stimulus 5 years after the recession ended, because unemployment and inflation are well short of the Fed's goals. The especially low American participation rate is clearly worrying her more than the unemployment rate. She also sees faster US economic growth. In a somewhat surprising piece of data released today, pay in the US increased 2.4% in the first quarter, despite a fall-off in rising productivity. In Europe, there's been an apparent policy shift by Russia over the Ukraine. Vladimir Putin has described Ukraine's election on the 25th of May as a step in the right direction, and there are reports his troops are pulling back from the border. Global bank HSBC reported a 20% fall in first quarter net profit to $5.2 billion, hurt by a steep decline in earnings from its Asian operations and its investment bank. In China, they have rising tension with Vietnam, with ships from both nations colliding as they protect their oil drilling operations in disputed South China Sea waters. The map in the report below gives a good idea of the potential for flare-ups with many of its neighbours. Stocks are higher in New York today. Oil is up, but gold is down sharply, now into $1,290 an ounce. One reason may be that there is new data out of China that shows demand has fallen for gold bars. US Treasury 10-year bond yields are falling too, currently at 2.59% in late trade. The recent fall in swap rates here is now becoming quite noticeable. We start today with 5-year swaps back to the levels they were 8 months ago. On the exchange rate, we start today with the New Zealand dollar down after Graham Wheeler's comments yesterday, but actually not down very much. It's now at 86.8 US cents, down against the Aussie at 92.9 Aussie cents, and the TWI is a fraction under 80.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.